Hi everyone, my name is Sam. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please share this with your friends or anyone you think that will benefit from this content. I also have created some similar content, so please check it out. My Excel tip playlist. You will see a lot of tips related to Excel that'll make your life so much easier. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how you can use a XMATCH function. So for example, if you are looking for something specific in this spreadsheet, you can use Control plus F to find out what the specific value is. So here, if I'm looking for 100, I'll just press 100 and find next, and it'll kind of show me where the 100 is. But if you're looking for a value that you don't know, you kind of know the closest value to it, uh, you can find out where the value is located. So for example, if you're looking for 100 but you don't know if you're looking for 100, you kind of have like an idea of what the number is, then you can find that number out, or you can find out where that number is located. To do that, you'll have to use a formula. So kind of look up formulas right here. You can see that on the taskbar. So you can see all these formulas in the taskbar, and we are looking for the XMATCH formula. So let me explain to you a little bit about the XMATCH formula. So the lookup value is the value we are looking for. So whatever value we are searching here, it will be that. Then lookup array is the column or the number of columns that we are using. And then the search mode is how we want to search it. Do we want the exact match? Do we want the next bigger value? Do you want the next smaller value? Something like that. And the search mode is how do you want to search the value? Do you want to do it search from the top to bottom, from bottom to top, ascending or descending order, something like that. Okay, so let's do the search. So be equal to xmatch. Now the lookup value. So we're looking for value 85 here. You can choose any value you like, but here I'm looking for value 85. And then lookup array. I'm gonna look for value 85 in this column. So that common, you can select multiple columns, but I just chose one because the rest of the numbers are way different between all of them, so I just chose that column. Here it's asking for what we're looking for. So are we looking for the exact match, or next smaller number, exact match, or the next larger number? So we can do exact match or a next smaller number. So what it will do is that it will give us either 85 or whatever number is closer to 85. So it will give us the index to that number, and then we can go there and check it out. And then now the search mode. So how we want the search to happen, we can do it from first to last. So it will search from the top to bottom and look for the value. So whatever is the first value, it will give us the index for that. And then we'll close parentheses and then hit tab. So it is saying that in the row number 1837 in the C column, we can find a value that is close to 85. So we can check that out. Here we can instead of G7, we can put G1837. It will take us to that value. Okay, let's see. No, sorry, it will not be G37. It will be C37. C1837. C1837. Then enter. Here we go. So C1837, enter, and here we are in the row number 1837. There's value that is sort of exact. Well, this is a close match. Yes, 8497. So I'm assuming there is no 80 in there. So I'll just put Control plus Home to go back on the top. Okay, let's assume that we are looking for a value that's not 85. So now we are looking for a value that is bigger than 85. So let's do that. Uh, let's see this. Here we are looking for exact. This time we are, so first we look for the next smaller item, but now we are looking for the next large item to see what the next value would be. So I'll do that. Hit tab. Now it is saying that in index 447 we can find that value. So we can put C 447 and then enter. It will take us there. So here you see the value 85.1, which is bigger than 85. So I'm assuming there is no 85 in there. We can check that by just looking at this. Let's see if there's 85 in here. Okay, so there's 85 in here, but not in this column. We can show them to find all. And let's see. Yeah, I don't see any 85 or exact 85 in the, uh, we can do that. Yeah, so there's 85 if you look for exact match in the column B, but there is none in the column C. So with the help of our XMATCH formula, we were able to find the next higher value of 85 at the index 447 and the next lower value at 1827 or 1837. So yeah, you can use, that's how you can use the XMATCH formula to find out the value that is closer to what you're looking for. This is it for this video. So please check out my channel. There are other related content uh, in the Excel tips playlist. So please check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.